Hey everybody, welcome to Leon's Chainsaw Parts and Repair. I think I'm finally ready to do the video on this. Should be complete now. This is a Pioneer P39, and because of this logo and the color of the saw, you can tell that this is after Pioneer and Partner merged up. So this is their 66 .4, basically a 67cc chassis. There were a lot of versions of this, but it's just a good, fairly clean saw. Other than, for some ungodly reason, some idiot painted this air filter cover this god-awful blue. So at some point I will take the time. That is metal. I'll blast it and repaint it, but I haven't found a reproduction Pioneer Partner decal for the cover that would be perfect, so I don't know what I'll do yet. I'll keep an eye on eBay. Maybe an answer will show up there. It does have the complete muffler. This is a forward facing, so it's actually got this groove right here for the so-called exhaust path, and the fact that it's not all, completely just burned out black is just a testament to how this thing hasn't been run all that much. In theory, if it was going to cause a fire, you would see it, in your forward chips instead of blowing back behind where a guy couldn't see. Got the complete plastic cover that is not melted or destroyed or broken. Chain brake works and is complete. So this is a neat little feature that Pioneer has on this style of chain brake. Anytime you see this plastic flag, I think it'll have this. So that's your tension right there. So if it's engaged all the way forward, that's locked. But notice that your spring tension for this allows a lot of movement. So that's all the way forward, if that's where you prefer it for filling up fuel. You got a nice open spot there. Alright, there's release. So once again, look how far back it goes. It's sitting almost, a finger's width off of the handle here. So again, you can get to that cap really fairly easily. I don't know, pretty neat design. I like it. Put one of my Carlton bars on here. Let's see if she wants to come alive and say hello. That's not a good sign. And I spilled something on the ground here that is slick. Or stepped in something, I'm not sure. Not much fuel in this, and I want to keep it that way. So I intend to drain this and put it in the attic. I have to go up on the firewood hill sometime this spring with it, but in case those plans fall through. Interesting. Well, this cap has a little bit of the swell to it. Not terrible, but a little bit. Oh. Well, what am I smoking? Alright, take two. That's better. Guess I should always check the damn fuel before making one of these videos. Anyway, Pioneer P39. I am happy to put it in the collection.